Welcome. In front of me is an EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this phone. So, when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with the screen, as you can see for me, and in here you get to select your desired language. So find it from the list, click on it. For me it's selected the correct one, so I'm not going to be changing it, and then select Start. This will take you to the next page where you can insert your SIM card. Now this step is completely optional and you don't need to do this. The reason it shows up here, even though you can insert your SIM card at any point throughout the setup process and afterwards as well, is because inserting a SIM card is one of the ways you can obviously connect to your mobile network. And the second one would be Wi-Fi, which is also the second page. And if you choose to skip both of those, then number one, you won't have the date and time set automatically. You won't have the Google login page throughout the setup process, and also won't have the option to restore the device from a backup. I'm going to be skipping both of those. And here is the date and time not being set automatically nor correctly, so you can fix it up. Moving on to the next page, we have location, scanning and sending user and diagnostic services or data from Google. These are supposedly services. They serve Google, obviously, and even if you turn those off, let's be honest, it's Google, so we don't know how much they actually affect it. For all I know, Google's probably still gathering them. So I'm gonna go to the next page, which allows me to select a screen lock to my device. Now by default it opts into a 4-digit PIN, but I can click right over here and change it to pattern or password as well. And if I don't want to protect my device at all, I can select skip right here and skip. And there we go. As you can see, this finishes up the setup of your device. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.